Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. Want to thank you so much for hitting that play button today. If you happen to be stopping in for the very first time, my name is Chuck. I am a local LTL driver for the Big E, Estes Express Lines, here in the great city of Tulsa, Oklahoma, Terminal 195. If you happen to work for Estes, let us know in the comments what terminal you're from. And don't just put down 164, put down 164 Kansas City, Kansas. You let us know what city you're from. I know we've got several Estes drivers that follow the channel, and I know we got a lot of truck drivers that follow the channel, a lot of delivery people, because at the end of all the videos I share some of your rides. And if you've got a truck that you want to send in, maybe you work for FedEx, you work for, we've got Amazon, we got a guy, I seen a guy that deliver propane. If you're delivering something, be sure to send in a picture, a cool picture of your truck. My email's down in the description, and we'll share it in a future video. Now, I've had some people, Chuck, I sent you my truck, but I haven't seen it on a video yet. It will show up on a video if you send it to me, believe me. I've started sending out an email to everybody who sends that in, just letting you know it's going to be on the next video. That way people kind of be on the lookout for their truck at the end of the vlog, just in case they miss one. But we're getting our day started here on the north side. We have 9 deliveries. The first one I'm going to is a place that deals with a lot of steel, and you'll see what I'm delivering. I don't know what it is. It looks like maybe something that would go, it looks like a step plate on the side of a vehicle, like the real jaggedy edge looking kind. It's chrome looking, but I know it's not that. It's got to go to something else. I'm not sure. I'll show it to you here in a minute. I've been to this place one other time. If my memory serves me right, I kind of go in, loop around the building, and then come through their facility. And then they don't have a dock per se. It's just, they will, I had it put right on the back of the trailer because this is my first stop. So they should be able to get it off there pretty easy. Yeah, back here with that flat battery. Sure we can clear everything. We good there. Put my 4-ways on. Dusty in here. Got the one right there. If you'll drop it down, I'll put them together. Move it over one. got that kicked off, and we are headed to the next one. We're arriving, the next place I'm going to is right here. And they're, that side of their warehouse is like food. They do cold, like cold storage type, and then they do dry, and then down here they do like chemicals. So when you come here, knowing what kind of freight you have will tell you where you need to go, which docks you need to hit. And again, all of this, you know, is just something that you learn over time, you know, going to a particular place. So I know I'm going to hit door 15, which is right there. So we're going to alley dock this thing. I'll have to let this one go. Straighten her out of here. Man, this truck lurches big time. It's amazing how you can, it doesn't matter. The Volvos that we have, which I usually drive Volvo most of the time, they all back just a little bit different. Some are a little bit more, like my truck, I mean, you can feather it. There's no lurching. This particular one right here is a guy, I don't drive this one very often because it's a road truck. Extra board driver has it, so he's usually out on the road. But from a stop to go, it kind of lurches a little bit. Alright, I'm going to run in here. This is 4 pallets, and then we'll be headed to the next one. Alright, this place is getting 5 pallets. It's coming up from a company out of Durant, Oklahoma. I'm not for sure who would have picked that up. Durant. I don't know if that had been our Atoka location or if Oklahoma City goes down there. But I'm going to be going in door 13 over here. I'll make sure there's no forklifts or anything running around, which I don't see. Well, that truck right there is awful close to being where I need to be. I guess we'll see how close we get to his truck, if I need to make him move or not. I might be able to get around him. Yeah, well, no, he's gonna be right in the way when I need to swing. Yeah, I wanted to go find this guy. Well, they parked these trucks in a awesome spot. There we go. As you can see, there ain't much room when you hit this dock. Got 5 for you. They're not very big. Everybody gone today?
No, they're around for it's inventory day.
Oh, I got you.
So yeah, it's been rough.
I bet that's a fun time.
I got interstate still here.
So he's getting these 2 here, and I gotta go to a place and deliver this. A place gets these 2, a place gets that one, and then a place gets those 3 in the back. And then we'll be done and getting started on our pickups for the day. Alright, we're coming up on my next one here. And it's a just a single container. It's pretty heavy. It weighs about 600 pounds. It's not very big either. You may have seen it at the last place we were at. I was kind of showing you what I had left. This one right here came from Denison, Texas. So not very far from my old stomping grounds in North Texas. I'm originally from the Sherman area. If anybody happens to be watching this and knows, you know, about that area. Okay, so see how many pull-ups it's gonna take me. I'm hoping 1 pull-up. 1 pull-up be successful. I won't even have you say in the comments because this isn't my truck and it's kind of stretched out a little bit. The 5th wheel on this one's a little longer than mine. So let's see how well we do. Let's see how well we do. Oh, heck. I think we're gonna be, you know what? Nah, I ain't even gonna try to save it. Let's say we might be able to save it. Hill assist, turn that off. See if that helps out a little bit. Okay, I think we're gonna be able to get it. Look at there. Ladies and gents, I think we'll take it. 1 pull-up and it's done. Hey! The little things in life that get me excited. Guys, I appreciate you stopping by the channel and spending a few moments with me today. If you like this kind of content and you're not already subscribed, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button. But until I see you at the next video, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your day. And remember this, life is truly short. Make sure you make it sweet. Now, let's check out some of your big rigs. Peace.
And I didn't understand that you are not one. Can't wait. till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known that